I'm back at my agent building system. The goal here is to create a way for the agents to put ideas out on a whiteboard that they all look at to come up with a plan when I want them to do something. As I start this new day, I ask, "Hi, Bill." And Bill says, "What would you like me to do?" And I tell it, "Propose the next safe deliverable." Now, I got this prompt from my Perplexity. Bill now is going to dig in and come up with a recommended name, exact files, public API, basically what a good project manager asks of the team for a week worth of work. And we're going to do it right now. So there are several differences of opinion from Casey and Ava. One is the systems architect, that's Ava, and Casey is the programmer. There's a number of things that need to be reconciled. The orchestrator, who is Bill, organizing with his agent team to recommend something to the deliverable based on what was recommended to him by his agents. So I'm going to take all of it, everything that we're doing. This is just the wake up for today, and pasting all of that, what is being sent up, to really my guide, who's going to then evaluate their proposed plan and come back with refinements probably. And so Perplexity's identified some issues. Don't approve this version. Missing activations, empty plan behavior should be explicit. So I'm copying this and I'm heading back to Comet. So I'm copying from Perplexity, putting it into Comet. Comet has my agents working on it, and it's connected to DeepSeek. So it's very inexpensive. The expense is in Perplexity, and the high level, is this good or not? Now I'm going to give those, let's not move forward until you resolve these issues, back to the agents and DeepSeek, and we'll take it from here. So I paste in that message, and now good catches. Oh, these are great. So both sides seem to be getting to the same page, and I'm the arbitrator in between who just observes. But this ends up being an operating system for dealing with the development and dealing with the planning in a way that, even though I'm not understanding the mechanics that they are implementing, I can be involved in the process and effective. What we're building is a system for the agents to have a whiteboard that they throw ideas up and can each share that idea across the team and give their 2 cents worth where it's appropriate, and an effective way of resolving issues. And yes, this is an orchestration element, but increasingly new tools like Symphony from OpenAI and others are putting this kind of rigor into the harness around the LLM in order to build usable and reliable systems.